Good evening, everybody. Today is Monday, the 12th of February 2018. It's approximately 7:20 in Paris time. And today's crypto of the day is Ethos, ETOS.io. It used to be BQX and it renamed to Ethos. This is a really cool cryptocurrency, and also it got me a lot of gains because I came in at ICO price. Before we start looking at Ethos white paper, let's just look at the market cap. And today it's all green. The market cap is at $426,224,000,000 and the BTC dominance is of 34.6. Bitcoin is going up tiny bit by 5%. Ethereum is resurfacing a tiny bit by 3% in the last 24 hours. Ripple for 21%, giving it a price of over $1. Now, since we're going to talk about Ethos, let's check out how Ethos is doing. Ethos is worth now $4.03, raising 5.77% in the last 24 hours. Now, when I came on Ethos, it was lower than 5 cents because I came after the ICO. I actually missed the ICO and came in after, and there was the crash of July just before the fork, and I got it then. And it rose this year in January above $10, $10.86 they say is the highest point, $10.86. And right now it's at $4, but I think it has huge potential for gains, and I did invest most of my portfolio, over 80% in Ethos. So I got some really cool gains on that. So what is Ethos? Let's go on their website, ethos.io. If you go on their website, make sure that it's https www.ethos.io because you want to be careful with some scams. So what is Ethos all about? The future is for everyone, the people-powered cryptocurrency platform. Now, what I really liked about Ethos is that it is bringing cryptocurrency to people that are not familiar with cryptocurrency. This is their headline: Unlock the future of investment, empower the world. Our mission is to make the daunting cryptocurrency market accessible to everyone, accelerate adoption of blockchain technology, and democratize ownership of cryptocurrencies. Ethos harnesses the power of design technology and social intelligence to create a breakthrough solution that will enable everyone to participate in the new economy. We're putting the power back in the hands of the people where it belongs. And I really like it. So they are going to create a universal wallet, and they call it Universal Wallet meets Superpower Digital Currency Dashboard meets Social Network. Ethos puts you in complete control at all times. Universal wallets mean there's no need to keep track of multiple wallets and private keys. So right now you have my Ether wallet, you have your Bitcoin wallet, you have maybe you have a ledger, you have different kinds of wallets, but soon you will be able to put everything on the Ethos Universal Wallet, and I think it will be very safe because they have those Ethos smart keys. One key to rule them all. Don't leave your assets at risk on an exchange or an insecure wallet. Never put your assets on an exchange anyway because it's easily hackable. Store hundreds of different coins with state-of-the-art digital security with a single state-of-the-art security key. Ethos Liquidity Network. Deposit, withdraw, send, or exchange any of your assets instantly with maximum liquidity. I think it's supposed to be really fast. Mobile first, so it will be an app and you can manage everything directly on your phone. One-click diversification. Instantly diversify your holding into several different currencies, diversifying risk and enabling customized exposure to the cryptocurrency markets. Set the splits yourself or use preset baskets for idea generation. So basically, if you have no idea of what you're doing, it will be able to generate some portfolio ideas for you. Now, I'm not going to use this because I like to really dig into every one of my ICOs, but for a lot of people, it is going to be a very cool tool to have. And it is people-powered. Leverage the power of the crowd and invest smarter with rich community consensus features, ratings and reviews, and get rewarded for sharing valuable insights with others through Ethos Social. So it's really digging into the core of the power of blockchain. So what features will it have? Bitcoin, asset allocation, mobile support, fund transfer, cold storage, managed key software interface, altcoins, ERC20 tokens, so most of the ICOs on that, token classifications, and social. And as you can see on the screen, or if you're listening to the podcast, I'm telling you, there are much more features than any of the other kind of wallets like Case, UberPay, Mist, Exodus, Trezor, Coinbase, Ledger Nano S, and Mycelium. Ethos Social, the people-powered cryptocurrency platform. In the future, we invest together. Ethos Social is a community ecosystem built alongside a universal wallet that makes it easy to learn and participate, where your investment choices are backed up by crowd and expert wisdom. So basically, people are going to decide together, as the more people, the better, really, on what will be the most powerful cryptocurrency in the future. And by having so many people together, this is how the prices can go up and you can make profits from your investment. So earn rewards and trust points through Ethos rating, Ethos reviews, and Ethos prediction contest, and become an Ethos expert to start curating baskets. So people will become experts on the Ethos platform. Basically, they are the people that are giving the best advice. It was featured on Forbes. Ethos is pioneering a mobile-first approach that will create a bridge between the past and future of finance. And everything is in an app, so in your pocket, on your phone. I'm an iOS developer, so I really like apps, and I think it's pretty cool. Let's see what their user experience is going to be, but they say it's from newbies to experts, instant coin baskets, tax-friendly reports, so you can export your account activity to make tax exporting a snap. Right now, I have no idea how I'm going to be able to handle my taxes, because although I didn't withdraw anything since I came into cryptocurrency, but if you make high profits and you do want to take some money out, in most countries, excluding the Netherlands and Italy still, I think, Switzerland probably, you have to pay taxes on the gains when you bring back your cryptocurrency to fiat money, so it's euros, dollars, yens, pounds, whatever you might be using. Ethos Bedrock, building blocks of the new economy. We're building some incredibly powerful tech at Ethos. We plan to share it so others can build with Ethos too and act and achieve their goals more quickly and easily. So basically, it's going to be open source for any other platform that wants to use their technology. So I think it's really cool. Now, let's close this window and let's just go directly onto their white paper, because the white paper is the most important thing to read. But I think we kind of overviewed all of it, and I want to make this video short today. There's a quote by William Gibson that says, "The future is already here, it's just not evenly distributed." And that is true, and that is the power of cryptocurrency. By using the blockchain technology, we'll be able to eradicate the middlemen, the banks, and everybody that steal your money, really, by enabling you to with smart contracts, enabling you to securely trade anything that you want to trade from one person to a person using the blockchain. So thousands of computers spread out the world, making it very secure and very fast, actually. Our vision is to create a people-powered new economy services company that makes the cryptocurrency market accessible and trustworthy to the average user, accelerating adoption of blockchain technology and democratizing ownership of both digital and traditional assets. The team, while this is a massive vision, Ethos is an experienced and enthusiastic team and community who are ready to make this vision a reality. If you go on their Telegram or on their Slack, there's thousands of people there. Don't listen to everything everybody says, but it's interesting to see. The Ethos team brings together a unique collection of experts across cryptocurrency, financial services, distributed computing, mobile technology, modern marketing, and design thinking. So the solutions they propose. Number one, the Ethos platform is designed to offer specific solutions for the new economy. Number two, an intuitive, self-custodied, universal wallet that allows you to safely store, manage, leverage, and further monetize your crypto assets in one place while maintaining complete control of your private keys. Number three, a social trust ecosystem for choosing, sharing, and navigating the ever-growing array of cryptocurrencies that unifies all of your financial assets to apply powerful investments, models, and structures to build your financial knowledge and wealth. A social gamification model that incentivizes crowd wisdom and makes participating in the new economy fun, social, and rewarding while increasing your financial literacy. So people getting together, discussing the next things, and deciding what is a good investment and what not. Scalable and compliant API services to empower businesses, developers, and entrepreneurs to build their own powerful crypto services and product offerings. So if you have an idea for a cryptocurrency, you can basically use their technology in your idea, in your app, in your platform, whatever it might be, to use, and it's completely open source. Then data feeds to syndicate information about cryptocurrencies and market, and last but not least, professional services to demystify the industry for businesses and developers who are creating a dynamic ecosystem to locate, find, and engage customers in the digital economy, thus reinventing traditional financial distribution models. Then they talk about their background. Over the past several decades, there have been a number of macroeconomic events that have fundamentally changed the way that society operates. The digital revolution changed the way we treat data and computation. We saw the rise of the modern internet in the dot-com boom, and more recently we've begun to experience the Internet of Things. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are now making way for the Internet of Value, and fintech companies are paving the way to a decentralized, unencumbered financial future. And this is true, the same way internet changed everything, changed the way we live, changed the way we communicate, changed the way we feel also. Cryptocurrencies will change, and the blockchain will change the way we make trades. It is the future of our financial system, whether we like it or not. Because our financial systems now, money with coins and pieces of paper and checks, and banks with all the taxes that they take, not taxes, but like interest and things like this. This is archaic and it won't last very long. We're in 2018, we're not dinosaurs anymore. Ethos aims to create a people-powered cryptocurrency services company to demystify blockchain technology and break down traditional barriers to entry by removing obstacles for consumers and businesses that have existed for decades. Ethos' mission is to make the cryptocurrency market accessible and trustworthy to the average user, accelerating adoption of blockchain technology and democratizing ownership of cryptocurrencies and traditional financial assets. I'm not going to read all of it, you can if you want, but basically it will really insensitize people that don't use cryptocurrency yet, and I think it is a tool that will really make cryptocurrency grow and go to another level. If you want to truly unlock the transformative power of blockchain cryptocurrencies and the wave of disruption that will be left in their wake, it's critical that we build for accessibility now, not later. If the new economy becomes a domain of privileged few and continues to perpetuate in the same iniquities as the old one, then its vision for the future would have failed. The world is ready for a new financial future. At Ethos, we're going to build it. Then they talk to you about the Ethos platform. I talked about it a little bit already, looking at their website. You can read all of this, but basically the three main components is Ethos Universal Wallet, so a wallet where you can put everything securely, all of your coins. A fiat and diversification. This system includes a unique legal structure with a fiat diversification system whose capabilities are amplified by the Ethos liquidity network tokens and the social and communities of people talking about the different coins. The Ethos platform seeks to connect novices and experts and reward those who help to educate others. The platform will be a fun and friendly place to learn and begin interacting with cryptocurrencies within dynamic public and private clusters, building on the strong existing Ethos community. We go into details about the Ethos wallet. We go into details about fiat and diversification. Diversification is very important anyway, whatever wallet you're on. For cryptocurrencies, it's really important to diversify your wallets, so have different kinds. Don't go all in onto one coin because it's very risky and the gains will not be necessarily bigger. So risk diversification, accessibility, community expertise, low cost, time saving, professional services. And then they talk about the social investment network. So we talked about it, but they talk about it in details here. If you invest in Ethos, I would really recommend you read the white paper. It's not that long. Then they talk about the token. So at ICO, it was 5 cents. Now it's over $4, $4.03. It went over $10, and I think that by the end of the year it will definitely reach again double digits, and maybe it will go in the high double digits. I'm not doubting it. The platform is not even released yet, and the gains are huge. So once the platform is released, the gains will be even bigger. It's a really, really good investment. I know that it's already $4, but it will go much higher, and I think that you can definitely times 2 or times 4 on your investment within a few years. Although I've been on it for 1 year and the gains were much higher, but for sure it's a long-term investment. Then they tell you about the token cell and early functionality, the utility and its open standards. It's based on Ethereum, of course, ERC20. I mean, you kind of got it by its name, Ethos. Verified source of funds for the blockchain, legal consideration. It's going to be really practical to do your taxes if you do take out some money from it. I like how their white paper is really clean and well written. And of course they provide an API. If you have an idea for a cryptocurrency, if you want to use their technology, you get to use their API. So Ethos Wallet Services, Ethos Relay, Ethos Fiat Gateway, and Ethos Broadcast. Then they talk about the wallet services, the relay, the Fiat Gateway. They get into details from everything. Welcome to the smart economy. Maybe we can just read this introduction, and that will be the end of this video. But go on ethos.io, make sure it's HTTPS so that it's secure, and check out their coin. I think it's really, really, really cool. Ethos Bedrock is just the beginning of a highly ambitious vision that we've set out and are continuing to refine and articulate. We firmly believe that cryptocurrencies are not only here to stay but can bring about enormous positive change for a lot of people around the world if we seize the opportunity together. Ethos is committed to playing a role in helping to realize the vision of the smart economy, one that is equitable, fair, empowering, safe and accessible, that brings the best innovations across multiple sectors to fruition as a truly new economy. Achieving meaningful mass adoption of cryptocurrencies will require a lot of technical infrastructure to achieve, and the Ethos platform and Ethos Bedrock are our big bets to help make sure that happens and happens soon. This infrastructure spans creating and managing wallets, both consumer and enterprise grade, connecting to liquidity providers, relay mechanisms, or oracles, a fiat gateway connecting the old and the new economy. This is really important to create that bridge between the old and the new economy. And a set of broadcast APIs making blockchain and Ethos data accessible to all consumers. Developers and businesses alike will require packages of APIs and services that will provide new capabilities not afforded by traditional financial institutions. Through Ethos Bedrock API, we hope to act as a major catalyst in a new peer-to-peer people-powered smart economy. It's a really cool project. Check it out. It's our coin of the day here on our 3rd episode of Crypto Truth News. Please subscribe to this video. Please put a few thumbs up. It's the very, very beginning of this channel, so of course not a lot of people are watching, but if it's interesting to you, please share it with your friends, and send me some comments, send me some messages. Maybe there's some coins that you would like us to talk about. I think that Ethos is a great investment. Yesterday we saw Power Ledger. It's an awesome investment. Utrust that we saw in the 1st episode is also a really, really cool investment with high potential for returns. But most of all, it's a really cool project. So I think it will hold on the long term, and it's a good long-term investment. These 3 coins are very good long-term investments. It's a good moment to go in. I know that the prices are not as low as they were, but you don't know if they're ever going to go back to where they were, and frankly, I hope not. So, subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day. Happy trading. Read all the white papers, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.